Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to be talking about making trendy YouTube videos, both the pros and the cons. And so if you're not familiar with what a trendy YouTube video is, it's basically whatever's hot in the news right now. So it could be something such as the latest iPhone, or maybe a big video game release that's coming up, or a blockbuster movie that everybody's talking about. And so the very first and obvious pro is that people are actually looking for this because it is something that's trendy and is hot in the news. The likelihood of you getting more views from that is higher, especially if it's related to the topic of your YouTube channel. So for example, if you have a technology channel and you did a video on the upcoming next iPhone or maybe the latest Android release, you'll probably get more views out of that. And so the second pro is that you don't have to spend a lot of time doing research on your next video topic because you already know that there is a demand for this particular piece of news. And so that is a great thing. It just saves you a lot of time. And then the final pro is, well, since it is trendy and it's hot, then there's probably going to be a lot of other YouTubers making the same types of videos. And so what that will allow you to do is get a chance to show up on the suggested videos. So then you could get views and maybe subscribers from that. But it is a double-edged sword, and that leads me to the cons of doing trendy YouTube videos. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so the first con is, well, it's trendy. And with trends, they don't last for long. And so you have a very short time window in order to make these videos and get those views and subscribers. And so the second con is the opposite of what I talked about earlier, where other YouTubers are making the same videos. Now, even though that could potentially get you more views because you could be in a suggested video, it's also going to be a lot of competition, especially if it's from much bigger channels. And then the final con is that there's really not a lot of long-term benefit. You might get some views and subscribers from it, but if your channel isn't dedicated to trending topics or news, then more than likely they're not going to stay for long, or they're not going to watch a lot of your other videos. And so those are my thoughts on the pros and cons of making trendy YouTube videos. I do recommend that you try them out, but just understand that unless you are a news or hot topic type channel, don't expect these to lead to all your growth. Just expect like spurts out of it, and then maybe people might stay for all your other content. And so if you've actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey playlist, I will also leave that in the description as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators Group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.